Quick question before I start this video. Do you own any EV stocks? If so, which one? And how many shares do you have? You can flex in the comment section below. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kim's here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the crash in the Chinese EV stocks. And that's include NIO stock, XPeng, Li Auto, and lastly, Kandi stock. Yep, it's pronounced Kandi, not Kandi. But from the drop that it experienced today, shoot, this stock can die. Just kidding. All joking aside, let's talk about why these stocks crashed today and whether or not you should buy this dip or should you take in some profit now, since over the last 3 months, these stocks has made a parabolic move. The shares of Kandi Technologies Group Inc. fell more than 19% on Monday after the short seller research house Heidenberg alleged that the Chinese electric vehicle maker used fake sales to take money from the US investors. And when that report came out, it was at 9:30 and the stock fell 19%. But at the end of today, November 30th, Kandi Technology actually dropped 28.34%, and after hours, it dropped another 7.38%. So that's a total of 35% in a single day. I'm telling you guys, this stock can die. Okay, I'll stop with that joke. Anyways, hey, I'm trying to make it entertaining for you guys because I know some of these stock news update can be dry AF. So that's the thing, investing in Chinese company. There are some risk involved. That's why the stock, went up like crazy, but it can drop like crazy as well. Because there's a chance, even though it's a slim chance, that the stock one day could be delisted from the New York Stock Exchange, or the trade war is going on, or just like this example, they could falsifies their sales numbers. For us investors in the US, or those of us who cannot read Chinese, because most of these reports are in Chinese and there might be a loose in translation. But either way, this is from a short seller. Their job is to bash on these company. Personally, I believe that this company could go places in the future. Personally, I don't have any position with Kandi Technology, but I do have stocks in NIO and XPeng. And because of these news, NIO stock, XPeng, and Li Auto, they all affected by it as well because they're all from China. They're now listed in the US Stock Exchange. But anyways, there are risks involved investing in these stocks. I mean, take a look at NIO. Over the last 1 year, it went up over 2,000%. But a year ago, it was close to $2 and it was in the verge of bankruptcy. So that's the thing. If you're not willing to take the risk, don't expect high reward. Even though this report is against Kandi stock, but indirectly it also affected NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto as well because they're all Chinese EV stocks. And speaking of these 3 other Chinese stocks, let's take a look at how they did today. So NIO, at the time of this recording, NIO is at 49.80. It dropped 6.43%, and after hours, it dropped another 1.4%. But if you take a look over the last 3 months though, it is up 152%. I mean, almost 153%. So I feel like this is still a healthy pullback. Like I said in my previous video a few days ago, if you haven't seen it, I talked about XPeng and how it dipped on Friday and whether or not XPeng is a buy at $64 a share. Anyways, go ahead and watch that video if you haven't already. Okay, now let's take a look at XPeng. So XPeng now dropped to 57.25, and today it dropped 8.59%, and after hours it dropped another 2.57%. For Li Auto, it also dropped about 10%. Currently, Li Auto is at 35.45. It dropped 8.84% today, and after hours, it dropped another 1.5%. So that's the thing with these stocks. They are super risky. I mean, they are lucrative. You can make a lot of money. I mean, over the last 3 months, if you guys are invested in these stocks, you probably double or triple your money. Easy comes, easy go. So personally, I'm a long-term investor and I'm planning to hold this stock 5 to 10 years from now. So those of you who are not willing to hold these stocks long-term, I don't recommend you touching it. But if you're willing to wait and you're willing to be patient with these stocks, I think in the next 5 to 10 years, they could be huge. I mean, take a look at Kandi stock. This stock was picked up by Warren Buffett himself, you know, the legend of investor. If Warren Buffett didn't believe in this stock, would he invest into this company? Probably not, right? And if you didn't know, Kandi actually started selling their vehicles now in the US. Their vehicle sale was approved in Austin, Texas, and their first delivery was at the end of the summer, by the end of July. I'll link an article here so you can take a look. But also take a look at NIO. In my recent video, I mentioned that CalPERS, you know, added NIO into their investment portfolio, as well as one of the top hedge fund investor. They picked up NIO. And I believe I talked enough about XPeng. You can watch my previous video, why I believe that XPeng could be huge and how XPeng can dominate the lower tier and mid-tier EV market in China. Overall, I believe in these stocks and planning to buy more in the next couple of days if they continue to dip. I'm keeping a close watch on them over the next couple of days. If they continue to drop dramatically, maybe another 5 or 10% in the next couple of days, I am definitely buying more. Let me know in the comment section below. Did you guys pick up any of these stocks this morning or from Friday? And let me know which one you picked up. And speaking of Cyber Monday, I picked up a monitor, one of those ultra wide curved screen monitor. I'm excited for that. And I waited today because I want to make sure that my channel is going to be monetized. And that's right, today is the day. November 30th is the day that my channel got monetized, and it took me about 6 months, really about 5 months, because in the month of October I kind of took a month off, and in November it kind of picked up. I gained close to 1,800 subscribers in 1 month, and I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful for each and every one of you who have commented, who liked my video. And because you guys commented and liked the video right away when I upload it, it shows that the video that I create is engaged, so YouTube started to recommend it. So that's why my channel grew so much, and that is why I always say thank you for watching, because you watching this video and commenting and liking this video really helped my channel grow. And I'm excited for 2021. Now I can actually create content, and whatever I make, I'm planning to invest back into my channel by upgrading, you know, my microphone or camera, or maybe something with the studio. Currently, I'm just recording this in a little corner of my living room, but hey, maybe down the road, because of the money that I make from YouTube, maybe I can get a bigger studio and improve the quality of my content. Comment down below and share me your thoughts about these EV stocks. Do you have any of these stocks? Which one you pick up this morning? Or what's your play this week for these EV stocks? And for those of you who are new to my channel, I talk about EV stocks, other high growth stocks that are not EV related. Yep, they're coming out. So stay tuned for that and turn on that notification bell. And go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Look forward to seeing you more, and I will see you in my next video.